Nice of Rory to mention Shane. He said because Rory was watching the leaderboards all day. I mean, he was like in full control,
Yeah.
watching what guys were doing. Got his breaks in that guys backed off just when he needed them to back off, and he was looking for Shane, and he was, what he was doing. So it was,
But did they show Shane embrace him because he was there for
I
him?
didn't
Like,
see that.
yeah, so he was there. I saw him. I
Yeah,
saw. I
I
just
would
wondered if
expect
they'd
that.
shown that
Yeah,
on TV.
I would expect that.
But I also spoke to, well, I didn't speak to Shane, but I saw Shane and stopped him. Just
Yeah,
said, listen, keep going.
yeah.
After he walked around the back, having done that, and again, it's devastating for him.
I
It's
think he
it's
might
really
have his day here,
devastating
though,
for him.
Paul. He played so beautifully for 54 holes. He got a bit of a bad break on the first hole. He looked like he was kind of blocked out by the tree. He was trying to move something in, ended up sort of with a difficult enough little pitch, and then he didn't hit it great. Somebody coughed in the middle of his backswing, I think he was
Right.
complaining about. And then it kind of all went a little bit
Well,
pear-shaped, at
he's
the
had he's
fourth and fifth.
had he's had a lot of disappointment this year.
Yeah,
I
yeah,
mean, the not winning in the old Honda, the new, what's it
yeah.
called
The
now, the
Cognizant
Cognizant,
Classic,
not
yeah.
not getting it done there when he
Dubai early
had
in the
it
year,
done,
yeah,
had a chance in Dubai,
yeah,
missed the cut at the Players,
yeah,
and then has three fantastic days here. I mean,
yeah.
we saw him
Beautiful.
last night,
Yeah.
and it was we thought he'd
Two
he'd every
shots back with
chance.
dream stuff.
Yeah.
And I think he can do something still around this golf course. But yeah, it has to be. When you're playing so well and you're working so hard. He's worked so hard the last 5, 6 years, and you're not getting anything out of it. It has to be very, very frustrating